This is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Nirvana Emerald by Nirvana Group located in Chembur. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office and the actual tower. Have a look at the tower. You can also have a look at the neighborhood and the main road. This road leads you directly to the main road. In this video, we are going to be talking about the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now, you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 797.8 square meters with single tower, ground plus 14 residential floors with configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Chembur, Subhas Nagar with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, Chembur station at a distance of just 2 minutes and monorail at a distance of just 5 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities which includes gym, kids play area, indoor game zone, outdoor game zone and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has two configuration 1 and 2 BHK with 1 BHK having 485 square feet and 2 BHK having 570 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the exact project details. We'll also help you with the sample flat and the actual flat. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI schemes. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for this project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Nirvana Emerald by Nirvana Group located in Chembur, Subhas Nagar. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.